Why you keep microphone problem on your AirPods? Here's the quick solution that helps to fix all microphone issues like low voice delivery, delay taking a second. Before moving on the first solution, subscribe this channel, like and write a comment here. Here's my first solution to clean up the internal charging connection and charge enough. AirPods Pro not charging enough that we can use it for listen to music and receive a call. So make sure about your left or right AirPod is working. We can check it paired iPhone from widget or setup pop-up. Do the charging port is clear so your left or right AirPod can make a connection while we put into charging case for a charge automatically. Use dry earpiece stick and rolled into hole formally. Once you clear it, check it your both AirPods is in charging mode. Once you clean up the internal part, now it's checking put charging port on the case and wireless charging pad. Once we put on an active wireless charging pad, red LED light on the charging case will be a blink and alert that your AirPods Pro is in charging mode. Next, is check AirPods Pro case lightning connector. Use a wooden stick and clean up the corner inside carefully. Now you will be fixed all charging issues that come sometimes or periodically. The second solution is on settings for a microphone to automatically switch. We can customize the microphone settings either left or right or set it automatically. That means active microphone automatically turned on while in use. Open Settings app on a paired AirPods Pro iPhone. Now tap on Bluetooth option, tap on the information icon and scroll to last. Tap on microphone option and set to automatically switch AirPods. That's it. Also, we can fix it. That's turn on the microphone on left or right AirPod only. Sometimes physical disability case. Enable for the ear that is working. If you don't have personal problem or desired restriction then select automatically switch AirPods option. That's it. Select AirPods Pro during a call. Apple AirPods Pro will automatically switch between the active Apple device at a time that sign the same iCloud account. Maybe your AirPods Pro not paired with your iPhone during a call, so when you pick up the phone, you will not hear the sound or use AirPods Pro microphone as well. Tap on the audio option from the caller screen and select the AirPods Pro. The fourth solution is on forgot AirPods and reset and pair to use. This solution will help in the repair of your AirPods Pro and forgot reset AirPods to factory settings. In just 15 seconds we can be done first. Check the steps on forgot AirPods Pro from the device. On your paired iPhone, go to the Settings app, tap on Bluetooth and tap on I button near to AirPods name. Select forgot this device. That's it. Now, perform a hard reset. First put both the AirPods into the charging case. Unlock your iPhone and open AirPods cap. Press and hold back button of AirPods Pro. The amber light on the AirPods charging case will be flashing and at the same time, your iPhone will see setup AirPods panel. Connected in the right way, that's it. Now you can check the AirPods Pro settings under the Bluetooth option. Tap on small letter I and get the AirPods Pro settings. Replacement charge from Apple service. Get exchange at the Apple Store. Your AirPod microphone accidentally damaged internally. So we can argue at Apple Store to a free replacement if your AirPods cover under warranty. Otherwise, we can buy only left or right AirPods from Apple Store. Apple Care Plus warranty buyers can buy it in just $29 for each AirPod and $29 for charging case. Or out of warranty buyers can buy it in $89 per AirPod and charging case as well.